Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change currency symbol in Excel invoice. So let's start. This is my Excel and here I'm going to add the invoice template. So just add template, just click on the file tab. In home option you can see here the some template showing. Just click on the more templates and in search just write the invoice and press the enter key and here you can see the all invoice searched. Select the invoice those you want. So I simply select this one and click on create. Okay. After that, you can see here the dollar sign here showing dollar currency. Okay. To change the currency symbol, simply select the data, right click of the mouse, click on the format cells option. And here the format cells dialog box is open. Then click on the first tab number and in category click on the currency option. And here the symbol option showing. Just click on the drop down arrow and select the currency those you want to change. And after that, just click on OK and you can see here the currency symbol is changed. Okay. Simply select the one cell and double click on the format painter and apply on the other data currency. Okay. We can see the changes on here. The currency symbol changed. Okay. Now you can see here in my cursor, the format painter is showing. To remove it, please press escape key to remove it. You can see the format painter is removed. And that's it. So this is a way you can change the currency symbol in Excel invoice. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe.